Prawns are among the most widely consumed seafood items on the planet, appearing in coastal cuisines, street food, fine dining, and home kitchens across cultures. Despite their popularity, prawns are often misunderstood or oversimplified. Many people confuse prawns with shrimp, underestimate their nutritional value, or fail to appreciate their culinary versatility. To truly understand prawns, it is important to explore what they are, how they differ from similar seafood, how they taste, and why they play such a significant role in global diets. Prawns are crustaceans belonging to the decapod family, meaning they have 10 legs. Biologically, prawns and shrimp are different species, although the terms are often used interchangeably in everyday language. One of the main distinctions is that prawns generally have larger bodies and slightly different gill structures. In culinary contexts, however, the distinction matters less than size, texture, and flavor. What truly defines prawns in the kitchen is their firm meat, mild sweetness, and adaptability. Taste is one of the defining features of prawns. Prawn meat has a clean, slightly sweet flavor with subtle oceanic notes. Unlike stronger-tasting seafood such as oily fish, prawns are mild and approachable. This makes them appealing even to people who are hesitant about seafood. The sweetness becomes more pronounced when prawns are fresh and cooked properly. Overcooking, on the other hand, can make them rubbery and dull in flavor. Texture is equally important. Properly cooked prawns should be firm yet tender, with a slight snap when bitten. This texture comes from the structure of the muscle fibers, which respond quickly to heat. Because prawns cook fast, precision matters. A few seconds too long can change their texture completely. This sensitivity is why prawns are often cooked at high heat for short periods. From a nutritional perspective, prawns are an excellent protein source. They provide high-quality complete protein while being low in calories and fat. This makes prawns ideal for people seeking lean protein options without sacrificing taste. A serving of prawns delivers essential amino acids needed for muscle maintenance, tissue repair, and overall metabolic function. Prawns are also rich in important micronutrients. They contain significant amounts of vitamin B12, which supports nervous system health and energy production. Selenium, another key nutrient found in prawns, acts as an antioxidant and supports immune function. Prawns also provide iodine, which is essential for thyroid health, as well as phosphorus and zinc. One topic often discussed around prawns is cholesterol. While prawns do contain dietary cholesterol, modern nutritional science shows that dietary cholesterol has less impact on blood cholesterol levels than once believed for most healthy individuals. Additionally, prawns are low in saturated fat, which plays a more significant role in heart health. This makes prawns a reasonable choice when consumed as part of a balanced diet. Comparing prawns to other protein sources highlights their advantages. Compared to red meat, prawns are lower in calories and fat. Compared to chicken, they cook faster and offer a different nutrient profile. Compared to many fish, prawns are milder and more versatile in flavor. This flexibility explains why prawns appear in so many cuisines worldwide. Cooking methods for prawns are diverse, but they all rely on the same principle: speed and control. Prawns can be grilled, pan-seared, boiled, steamed, or stir-fried. In many cultures, prawns are cooked with minimal seasoning to let their natural sweetness shine. In others, they are paired with spices, garlic, herbs, or sauces that enhance their flavor without overpowering it. Globally, prawns hold an important cultural and culinary position. In Southeast Asia, prawns are central to street food and home cooking alike. In Mediterranean cuisines, they appear in seafood stews and grilled dishes. In Western kitchens, prawns are often associated with elegance and celebration, appearing in appetizers and special meals. This global presence speaks to their universal appeal. Another key aspect of prawns is their role in aquaculture. Prawn farming has become a major part of global seafood production. When managed responsibly, prawn farming can provide a reliable protein source with a lower environmental footprint than some land-based meats. However, sustainability depends heavily on farming practices, water management, and ecosystem protection. Freshness is crucial when it comes to prawns. Fresh prawns have a clean smell, firm texture, and translucent appearance. As they age, they lose sweetness and develop off flavors. This is why prawns are often frozen shortly after harvest. Properly frozen prawns retain much of their quality and nutritional value. Shell-on versus peeled prawns is another consideration. Cooking prawns with the shell-on helps protect the meat and enhance flavor. The shells also contain compounds that contribute to taste when used in stocks and sauces. Peeled prawns offer convenience but may lose some flavor during cooking. Health-wise, prawns support muscle health, immune function, and overall vitality. Their protein content helps maintain lean body mass, while their micronutrients contribute to metabolic balance. Because they are low in calories, prawns are often included in weight management diets without sacrificing satisfaction. Prawns also fit well into modern dietary trends. They are compatible with high-protein diets, low-carbohydrate eating patterns, and balanced whole food approaches. Their quick cooking time makes them ideal for busy lifestyles, while their nutritional density supports long-term health goals. One reason prawns remain so popular is their ability to elevate simple meals. A small portion of prawns can transform rice, pasta, or vegetables into a complete and satisfying dish. This efficiency makes them both practical and luxurious at the same time. Despite their popularity, prawns are often underappreciated as a serious protein source. They are sometimes viewed as a side ingredient rather than a main component. In reality, prawns offer nutritional strength comparable to many traditional meats, with the added benefit of faster cooking and lighter digestion. In conclusion, prawns are a versatile, nutrient-rich, and globally beloved seafood that deserves deeper appreciation. Their mild sweetness, firm texture, and high protein content make them suitable for a wide range of culinary applications. When sourced responsibly and cooked with care, prawns provide not only great taste but also meaningful nutritional value. Understanding prawns means recognizing them not just as seafood, but as a smart and adaptable protein for modern eating.